Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change the language on your Xiaomi device. Whether you just bought a phone or you need to switch to another language, this guide will guide you step by step. So let's get started. Open the Settings application on your Xiaomi device, and then on the home page in the drop-down menu, you will look for the Additional Settings option and click on it. Clicking on the Additional Settings option will open the next page where you will go down to the Languages and Input option and then click on it. The application will open a new page where you will also look for the Languages option in the drop-down menu and click on it. This is where the magic happens. As you can see, the list of languages that Xiaomi devices support is up to you to decide which language to choose, and all that remains is to click on it, and your device will automatically update to the selected language. And that's it. Your Xiaomi device is now divided into the desired language. Fast, easy, and super convenient for anyone who needs to change the language on their phone. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.